The non-catalyzed exhaust system is the most basic of current systems. Its commercialization in the European community is limited to petrol vehicles from earlier than 1993 and diesels from before 1997. Its design is very simple and generally includes 2 or 3 silencers. If these systems are correctly designed, they have a series of major advantages. First, they reduce the noise level of the exhaust gases before they go into the atmosphere. Second, they maintain the right back pressure in the exhaust system and avoid the breakage of other engine components. They guarantee maximum performance with minimum consumption. Third, they send the exhaust gases outside the passenger compartment.
We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.